I kind of like this kind of this type of market. It's kind of a, oh shit. I was just gonna say it's kind of an autopilot market. Just realized I got stopped out of Nugget. Gonna take a $35,000 loss on this trade. Ah, just jinxed myself in real time. I love it. Bleh. Lost 38k on this trade. Fuck Nugget. I'm not gonna trade the gold theme anymore. I hate gold. I always lose on gold related stuff. I always lose money, except for once when I bought Nugget a couple of years ago. I bought Nugget down here on this breakout from the lows, and then it went up 170% in a few months. That's pretty much the only time I've made money on Nugget on the long side. I have made money on the short side before, I know that. Oh, fucking Nugget. No. Or maybe I'll do. I don't know. Nah, I'm not really much of a gold bug. Some people are just crazy about gold. I mean, if you believe in inflation, I'd rather own real estate, like rentals or something like that, not gold. Something that also something that protects you from inflation, but also like a real asset, but also generates cash flows. That's the problem with gold. It doesn't generate any cash flows. It just sits there. My first blog post, I went through a study. They pretty much looked at in the Western world, housing and equity returns 1870 to 2015. That's like 145 years. The best returns came from housing, like rental properties, because not only do you get the appreciation of the land and the like the tangible stuff, you also get the cash flows, like the rents, and the equities were closely behind. I don't have any rental properties. No, I don't. And instead of getting my own rental properties, I'd rather invest with someone else that takes care of that stuff. I wouldn't want to manage, tenants and stuff like that. I don't want to do that. I just want to make money. Let someone else do the hard stuff.